So here's a quick walkthrough of a recently completed installation of custom packline engineering. This is a bagging line with direct feed from their Sunkist sizer into these accumulation belts. There are 8 of them. Here they can separate grade, size, and different SKUs. It looks like a very flexible system with pneumatic shears that can open and close to allow distribution of the product. From there, the product will be discharged, go along these quick grade tables prior to being presented to the Volmpack scales and Volmpack bagging systems. They have 2 Volmpack baggers, and it looks like there is expansion for 2 more complete systems. They have individual accumulation belts on top of the Volmpack baggers. Baggers tend to be operating most efficiently with a consistent flow of product, and that's what these accumulation belts are for. They meter the flow into the infeed, so they always have a constant feed of fruit. Works well for everything from grapefruit to lemons and oranges and all different other commodities. The catwalk up here seems to be all brand new. Mild painted steel construction. All looks to be brand new and being implemented in operations here shortly.